Every morning, the sky tells me something new. Some days, it is bright and blue. Some days, it is gray and full of rain. And I love listening to it. So today, let's talk about the weather. Here on Slow English Listening, we go slow and easy. Just relax, listen, and read with me. Every morning, I do the same small thing. I get out of bed, and I look out the window. I want to see the sky first. The sky tells me about my day. Today, the weather is beautiful. It is a sunny day. The sky is blue, and the sun is warm. There are only a few small clouds. They look like soft white cotton. There is a light wind, too. It moves the trees slowly. On a day like this, I feel happy. I open all my windows. I drink my coffee outside. The warm sun touches my face. It is a small thing, but it feels so good. But of course, the weather is not always sunny. Some days, it is cloudy. The sky is gray, and the light is soft. Cloudy days feel quiet and calm. Some days, it is rainy. I hear the rain on my window. Drip, drop, drip, drop. Honestly, I love that sound. It helps me relax. On rainy days, I stay home. I drink hot tea and read a book. Some days, it is windy. The wind is strong, and the trees dance. My hair goes everywhere. And in winter, it is cold. I wear a big warm coat. In summer, it is hot. I eat ice cream and stay in the shade. Every kind of weather is different. And every kind has something nice. Now, let me tell you a small story. Last week, the morning was sunny. So I went out without my umbrella. Big mistake. In the afternoon, the sky turned dark. It looked like rain. Then, the rain came down fast. I ran to a bus stop. But it was too late. I got wet from head to toe. My shoes were full of water. At first, I was not happy. But then, something changed. I saw children playing in the rain. They were jumping and laughing. And slowly, I started to smile, too. The rain was cool and fresh. The air smelled clean. So I stopped running. I walked home slowly, in the rain. And honestly, it felt wonderful. That day, I learned something simple. Bad weather is not always bad. Sometimes, it gives you a happy memory. So now, I check the sky every morning. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, or windy. Every day, the weather is a little different. And that makes every day special. So, that is my story about the weather. Sunny days give me energy. Rainy days give me rest. And windy days make me laugh. The weather changes every day. But my little habit stays the same. I look out the window. And I say hello to the sky. If you like these slow English stories, please subscribe to the channel. It is free, and it helps me a lot. And if you enjoyed today's weather, watch my story about my morning next. We will talk again soon, in the next video. Until then, take care, bye.